like, I have a lot of hair on my face.
Yeah.
You too. We don't have mirrors.
Yeah.
When we're gonna shave, we're gonna be so light in that area, you know?
Yeah, no doubt. Yeah, I can zoom
Your
out.
fingers in front of the lens.
Yeah, I realize that. Okay, there we go. Now,
Well, I gotta. Oh, now picture of you.
well, it's a camcorder. All you gotta do is just point.
Okay.
Then we have that, and oh fuck. We're about to get blasted by a fucking wave. This motherfucker. That is ridiculous. Oh, that wasn't so bad. It was the angle of the wave that made it better. That's cool.
Nice channel.
Yeah.
Good
Check
product.
out the snake. We're running the gauntlet.
Alright, let's crank up our power.
Yeah.
Let's go some way.
Hang on, man!
Hang on to your hat. We're going for a ride.
We're going 5 miles an hour. Hang on!
5.5.
Woohoo! Ow!
Hold on, all the naked girls.
No doubt.
To your bathing suits.
We're coming. We might blow them off at this breakneck speed. That is so cool. Mangroves. This is cool. Little channel up through there. Some sort of, looks like state law enforcement agency.